Hello! Welcome to LeadMaster. In this tutorial, you will learn how to remove one of your account managers from LeadMaster, and also how to replace one account manager with another one in LeadMaster. We will be working in the main admin menu. If you do not have access to this menu, you will not be able to make these updates, and you should contact your system administrator instead. To start, go to the main administration menu and head to Logon Management User Security on the left-hand side. Click on View Edit Existing User Logins. You should see your accounts listed below. Let's deactivate this old user. Go to Privileges, User Status under User Information, and label this as not active. What this does is put a pause on the account. This person will not be able to log into LeadMaster, but if you ever want to reactivate this user again, simply switch it back to active. In many cases, this is much better than deleting the record. Label as non-active, click Submit, go back to Logon List, and you will see next to this name, the status is not active. Now that we have a user that is not active, we will add a new user to the system. Go to Manage Logons, click New Logon, and fill out the necessary information. For simplicity, let's call this user New Person. The username should be an email address to ensure a unique value. Create a temporary password for the user and choose the user type, which in this case will be an account manager. Choose the security that you have already set for the new user. If you need more information about security, please refer to our other help video discussing how to set it up. Changing security will change all the settings and privileges below, and we will want to proceed. Now below you can see searching, administration, and all other appropriate privilege information updated below. Now the user status has been updated to active. It should also show your default label set. Let's click Submit and go back to our Logon list. As you can see, our new person is labeled below. Now that we have disabled one of our old users and created a new login for a new user, let's ensure that they show up correctly in hierarchy and assign all of the old accounts to the new person. Head to Main Admin menu and open Company Hierarchy. Go to View Edit Account Manager. Let's add the new person as an account manager right here. Choose the region and insert the first and last name the exact same way that you entered the data in originally. Make sure Has Logon is yes. If Has Logon is not yes, make sure your first and last name is the exact wording you entered on the Logon page. You can fill out other information. When you are finished, click Submit. Here we have our new person listed and the old account manager here. Now let's do a search and add all of the accounts over from the old account manager to the new person. Go to Search, scroll down to Lead Assignment. Under Account Manager, search for all of the old account manager's records. Click Search. And now let's select the leads. Go to Record Options, Assign Records. Choose the new person, and opt to assign selected records or all records. If you'd like, you can send an email notification or add comments here. Click Submit, and you will see there are no records for the old account manager. However, if we search for our new person and click Search, the list is now here. The final step is to delete the old account manager from the account manager list. This is optional. You can opt to keep this user as non-active. Now this new user is all ready to start using LeadMaster with all of the old account manager's leads. This concludes the tutorial on how to disable and replace an old user with a new one. Thanks for watching.